Ever heard of Ally Bank? You know, that online bank everyone's been talking about? But have you ever wondered, what's the actual name of the bank behind that name? It sounds a bit like a superhero alias, doesn't it? Ally Bank, mysterious, powerful, always there for you. But is there a secret identity hidden beneath that cool facade? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Is Ally Bank just a fancy nickname, or is there a real, official bank name lurking somewhere in the fine print? You might be surprised to learn that Ally Bank isn't actually a separate, independent entity. It's a brand name, a cool and catchy moniker for a larger financial institution. So, who is this mysterious bank behind the Ally Bank name? Drumroll, please. It's the Ally Financial Incorporated. There you have it. Ally Bank is a division of Ally Financial Incorporated. A major player in the financial services industry, Ally Financial offers a wide range of products and services, including auto financing, insurance, and, of course, online banking. But why the name Ally? Well, it's all about building strong customer relationships. Ally Bank aims to be your partner in financial success, your ally in navigating the complexities of modern banking. This focus on customer experience is evident in Ally Bank's online-only model. No more waiting in long lines at the bank. No more dealing with confusing branch locations. With Ally Bank, everything is conveniently accessible online or through their mobile app. But convenience isn't the only advantage. Ally Bank often boasts competitive interest rates on savings accounts and CDs, making it an attractive option for those looking to grow their wealth. Shot of a person happily reviewing their savings account balance. And let's not forget about customer service. Ally Bank is known for its excellent customer support, available 24/7 through various channels like phone, chat, and email. So, the next time you hear someone mention Ally Bank, you'll know that it's a division of Ally Financial Incorporated, a company dedicated to providing customers with a seamless and rewarding banking experience. Now you know the secret behind the name. Ally Bank, a powerful brand, a trusted partner, and a division of a major financial institution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.